Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Well, it finally arrived. So today we're going to be comparing the Lions brand Schitts Creek with the Lions brand Basic Stitch. Is it really the same, Mr. Blumenthal? I don't know. We'll wait and see. You might recall I had emailed Mr. Adam Blumenthal, who is the president and CEO, the grand poobah, the big dude of Lions brand. And I said, what's up with Schitts Creek? Are you getting rid of it? This is Armageddon. Like, do we need to panic? Do we need to run out and get toilet paper and water and every skein of Schitts Creek we can find? And he's kind of like, yeah, it's done. But if you liked that, you're going to love Basic Stitch because it's just like it. And there's even more colors. And I'm like, okay, I'll give it a try. All right, let's take a look and see what the differences are. First of all, let's compare the colors. This one is called Blush Heather. It is a weight of 4. It is 185 yards, 100 grams. It is 100% acrylic. Look at the color. This is called the Blush Motel, also a weight of 4, 372 yards. And it's also 100% acrylic. Do you guys see a difference? All right, I'm not seeing, okay, obviously, where's the difference? It's in the size of the skeins. That's where the difference is, people. This is 372 yards. This is 185 yards. So this has more. These were, I think, like I said, I think they were $9.99. These are $5.99. So basically you get half the yarn, half the price. Boom. I was really ready to say, don't be lying to me, Mr. Blumenthal. Now, the Basic Stitch has a 50 color, they go 50 colors deep. The Schitts Creek, I don't remember how many there were, not that many. Let's say 10, 12 colors, something along those lines. Let's look at the second color. This is Bob's Garage. Once again, weight of 4, 372 yards, 100% acrylic, right? Look at the stitch, look at the yarn, right? Look at all of that stuff. This Basic Stitch Pill, anti-pilling, 185 yards. This color is called Deep Denim Heather. Come on, people. What are we doing here? Same. Y'all, it is the same yarn. That is quite the mystery. I have to be honest with you. That is quite the mystery. You guys, identical. Now, there are 50 colors in the Lions brand Basic Stitch colorway. And there wasn't that many, but it doesn't matter because the Schitts Creek is gone. Schitts Creek was gone. But I guess I'm happy to report that if you want the Schitts Creek, you can go and get it under the Basic Stitch anti-pilling yarn. You just don't get as much. I can't guarantee all the colors that were in the Schitts Creek line are in the Basic Stitch yarn. We're going to have to take a look at that and see. Let's compare and see. There's 50 colorways, but let's just go ahead and take a look and see if that's actually the case. All right, so here we are on the Lions brand website, and we're going to go into the Basic Stitch anti-pilling yarn. Let's go ahead and check it out. 50 colors, 50 styles available. Looks the same. We're going to look at the colors here. So let's check out the colors. It says there's 50 colors available. Turquoise Heather, Ecru, white, so that takes care of our diamonds. This baby pink, Frost, baby blue, not exactly the bébé blue from Schitts Creek. There's a steel blue, royal blue, grass. This is very close to the tropical cafe. Olive, we don't have that. Pumpkin. Okay, so except for just a couple, there was that really bright pink flamingo color. That's more of that coral. That's not available. But other than that, the colors are pretty much there. What was once Schitts Creek yarn is now Basic Stitch anti-pilling.
Same product, it's cheaper, but you're also getting less.
Is Basic Stitch going to be sort of like the mainstay? And then when someone else comes in with a special, they're just going to grab a couple of those yarns, change the name, maybe change the quantity, and then repurpose it somewhere else. Very sneaky, Mr. Blumenthal. Very, very, very sneaky, but I'm not upset. I am more happy than I am feeling with like the wool's been pulled over my eyes. I'm happy that we can still get this stuff. All right. Well, there you go. So check out lionsbrand.com, lionbrand.com. They're always having sales, always, always. So I wouldn't buy this on full price, but it is a great yarn. We do know that we really like this yarn. I loved this yarn. I'm very happy to see that it hasn't gone away. It's just under a different name. I really, really felt that when I looked at the Schitts Creek, and I thought, it's not going to be the same yarn. It's going to be a totally different weight. It's going to be a thicker. It's going to be different. It feels exactly the same. It is the same yarn. All right. Well, there you go. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications of every video that I post, everything that's coming out. I got so much more coming out. But this one, mystery solved, case closed, we're done. Lions Brand Schitts Creek is now Lions Brand Basic Stitch. As always, I'll see you soon.